Learning computer with seeing the beautiful sights of Indian village. Welcome back to my lecture series, computer lecture series, and we are seeing some important words used in computer learning. So let's now again we see the some. Now I would talk about the word starting with letter C. So let's learn these words again. The first word in this series, I would like to start with cache memory. That is cache memory, a small high speed memory that is used to increase speed processing by making current program and data available in CPU at a rapid rate. Call statement, a program statement that transfers program control to a subroutine. Canonical form, a Boolean function whose terms contain all variables or their complements. This is unreduced form of the function in main term or max term form. Carrier, any device that is used to transmit data from one location to another location. Cathode ray tube, CRT, an electronic tube with a TV-like screen on which information may be displayed. C-band transmission, use of 4 GHz band of frequencies for transmission and retransmission of microwave signals in a satellite communication system. CD read and write, CDRW disks. An optical storage that is very similar to a worm disk with the exception that one can erase the previous content and write on it multiple times. CD recordable disk, that is CDR. It is a type of disk with write once and read many. It is also called warp disk. CD-ROM jukebox, a mass storage device that uses a set of CD-ROM disk drives and a controller mounted in a single unit to function as a single large storage unit. Its typical use is for archiving read-only data. Cell, intersection of a row and column in a spreadsheet. A user enters number, text or formula in a cell. Area covered by an individual transceivers signal in a wireless communication system. Central processing unit, CPU, control unit and arithmetic logic unit of a computer system together constitute its CPU. It is the brain of a computer system and carries out all calculation and comparison performed by the computer. It is also responsible for activating and controlling operation of other units of computer system. Chain printers, line printers that print Line printers that print by striking a set of hammers on a inked ribbon and paper placed against a metallic chain. All characters of the character set supported by the printer are embossed on the metallic chain. Channel, a path for carrying signals between a source and a destination, or a track on a magnetic tape or a band on a magnetic drum. Character addressable storage, a storage in which each character has a unique location with its own address. Another name for it is variable word length storage. Variable word length storage, also called character addressable storage. Character coding schemes, a standard for representing characters in computers. Character printer, a printer with a print mechanism that prints one characters at a time. Character set, valid characters allowed in a programming language. Chip, a thin wafer of silicon on which integrated electronic components are deposited. Charge coupled device, CCD. Charge coupled device, a completely electronic storage device fabricated on a semiconductor chips. It stores data as pockets of charge in a semiconductor. Circuit switching, the simplest method of data communication in which a dedicated physical path is established between a sender and a receiver nodes through switching nodes of the network for the duration of data exchange. Class, in object-oriented programming, a class is descriptions of one or more similar objects. Client computer, a computer that makes service requests to a server computer in a client server computing environment. It runs client processes which sends service requests to the server. Client server computing, a network of computers consisting of server computer such as database server, print server, name server, file server, and multiple client computers that share programs and data from the server. Clip art library, a library of commonly used graphic images or objects that can be imported directly from the library and used in a multimedia applications. Clock speed, number of times the built-in electronic clock of a computer system pulses in 1 second. Coaxial cable, a cable made of single wire in the center of an insulator wrapped in mesh. It is often used as medium to transmit data between computers and peripheral devices. Code generator, a very high level programming language in which programs specify the design specification of a system which tasks are to be performed through an interactive dialogue with the system. The computer then automatically generates the program source code for the system. Code, the statement of a computer program, a set of rules outlining the way to represent data like BCD, EBCD, IC, ASCII, ASCII, etc. Coding, process of writing computer instruction in a programming language. Cognitive graphics, cognitive graphics, area of computer graphics that deals with the image. Collate, 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 to combine items from two or more sequenced files into a single one. Collating sequence, an ordering assigned to characters of a character set to be used for sequencing purposes. A commonly encountered collating sequence involves special characters, letters, and digits in that order. Combinational circuit, a group of logic gates interconnected to form a logic circuit. Command interpreter, the part of an operating system that serves as an interface for users to communicate with a computer via its operating system. Command line interface, a textual user interface in which users give instruction to computer by typing commands on keyboard. Comment, a statement written in a computer program for the purpose of documentation. Comments do not contain any program logic and are ignored by the language processor. Common business oriented language, COBOL, COBOL, a high level programming language developed for business data processing applications. Common carriers, data transmission service providers are known as common carriers. Types of services which common carriers typically offer are dial-up line, leased line, integrated services digital network, ISDN, integrated services digital network, ISDN, and value added network, VAN, etc. Communication protocol, a set of rules and procedures established to interconnect and communicate between computers. It provides a method for orderly and efficient exchange of data by establishing rules for proper interpretation of controls and data transmitted as raw bits and bytes. Communications processor, a processing unit that coordinates networks and data communications within a computer network. It ensures that data flows to and from different computer systems correctly and efficiently. Communication satellite, a microwave relay station precisely positioned 36,000 km above the equator with an orbit speed that exactly matches the Earth's rotation speed. It enables data transmission between any two randomly chosen points in a very large area. Communication software that enables transfer of data and programs from one computer system to another in a network of computers. Compile, to translate a program written in a high level language into its equivalent machine language program, usually a single source statement, else more than one machine instruction. Compiler, a translator program or software package that translates a high level language program into its equivalent machine language program. Compact disk read only memory, CD-ROM, a shiny silver color metal disk of 5.5 inch, that is 12 cm in diameter, having a storage capacity of about 650 megabytes. It is so called because of its enormous storage capacity on a compact size disk and because it is read-only storage medium, CD-ROM. Complementary subtraction, additive method of subtraction is called complementary subtraction. Completely connected network, a network in which there is a separate physical link for connecting each node to any other node. Complex instruction set computer, CISC architecture. Complex instruction set computer architecture, CISC. An architecture of central processing unit with large instruction set, variable length instruction, and a variety of addressing modes. Compound statement, a statement to perform complex operation combining null, simple, and other compound statement, also called a statement block. Computer, an electronic device that can automatically accept and store input data, process them, and produce output results by interpreting and executing programmed instruction. Computer aided manufacturing, abbreviation CAM, use of computers to automate manufacturing process or operation. Computer aided design, CAD, a multimedia application of generative graphics that enables use of computers to automate design and drafting operations. CAD packages are available for designing a variety of things like cars, aircraft, ships, buildings, printed circuit boards, etc. Computer aided software engineering, CASE. Computer aided software engineering tools, a set of software tools that provide a wide range of features for creation of better and more reliable software products within less time and with less effort. Computer animation, area of computer science that deals with generating, sequencing, and displaying at a specified rate of a set of images called frames to create an effect of visual change or motion similar to a movie film. Animation is commonly used in those instances where video shooting is not possible, or animation can better illustrate the concept than video. Computer audio, area of computer science that deals with synthesizing, recording, and playback of audio or sound with a computer.